was in the middle of this that the collision occurred. With incredible reactions, both pilots banged out instantly, while their machines were engulfed in a fireball. Miraculously, they crashed on the edge of the airfield without causing any serious damage.
This MiG, flown by Alexander Bestchesnev, appears to slice the aircraft of Sergei Chazayevsky. Sergei's aircraft fireballs, falling to earth, with debris hitting a nearby parked Belgian Hercules. Viewed from another angle, we now follow Alexander's MiG and see him eject almost immediately after impact. There goes his rocket. Viewed from a third angle, the impact is clearly visible. Yet it appears that Sergei does not eject for several heart-rending seconds, his MiG already a fireball.
The airfield was much smaller. The jet struck a house, killing 11.
In Argentinië is zondag een stuntpiloot om het leven gekomen tijdens een vliegshow in Buenos Aires. De 45-jarige piloot verloor de controle over zijn toestel. Hij draaide wilde spiralen waarna hij op de grond klapte. Het toestel vatte gelijk vlam. De piloot overleefde de crash niet. Er vielen verder geen gewonden.
The demonstration began shortly after noon. 6 planes, 2 F-18s, 2 F-14s and 2 F-4s in formation flying above the 25,000 spectators at the Point Mugu Air Show. The last one to peel off was an F-4. The engines appear to flame out. You can see what happened next.
Holy! The last plane that vintage Sabre jet was about to engage in a MiG-15 in a mock dogfight when it skimmed the ground and burst into flames. The pilot is confirmed dead, but his name has not yet been released.
Your positions, please, because there has been an incident. We have rescue crews, we have fire crews, and emergency crews that will be responding to the incident immediately.
Crashed about a quarter of a mile away from the crowd. No one on the ground was hurt.
Está colgando el cinturón de seguridad. Paracaídas balístico, Dino. Paracaídas balístico. Nadie se mueva del lugar, por favor. Nadie se mueva del lugar. Bajamos la música. Hemos tenido una emergencia en la aeronave. todo el mundo queda en su lugar tranquilamente, lo van a ir a atender. Miren qué bárbaro que estuvo lo del paracaídas balístico. Rápidamente, bomberos, por favor, atentos en caso de que haya algún incendio. Nadie ingresa al predio. Con mucha calma, todo el mundo se queda muy tranquilo en el lugar. Por favor, todo el mundo muy tranquilo en el lugar. Bomberos, ambulancias se van a ir arrimando con mucha calma. No debemos tener ningún otro accidente que la está asistiendo. Todo el mundo muy tranquilo. Estamos con total seguridad. Dino está fuera de la aeronave, un poco impotente se debe sentir seguramente porque el incendio, hoy volvemos a estar en un momento difícil.
Get it, it's going, yeah. Well done.
Okay, fire engine is now coming by. He's out. And it all happened very safely. The F-111 attached to a cable that was...
Well done.
부산의 공군 전투비행단 상공입니다. 훈련 비행을 위해 막 이륙한 F-16 전투기 뒷날개에 불이 붙었습니다. 방향을 약간 탄 전투기는 한참 상공을 나갔습니다. 꼬리 부분의 불길은 더욱 거세집니다. 조종사가 비상 탈출하고 F-16 전투기는 그대로 논바닥에 추락합니다. 전투기가 폭발하면서 화염이 높이 솟구치고 기체 파편이 주변 300여 미터 이상 날아갔지만 다행히 민간인 피해는 없었습니다.
This single-seat FA-18 Hornet traps, the arresting cable stretches to the breaking point. When it breaks, the plane quickly disappears over the side and into the water. Training saves the pilot, who ejects immediately. This yellow shirt miraculously jumps the cable as it whips under him, not once, but twice. well-trained crew members are not so lucky. As the cable snaps back at over 100 miles per hour, it takes out everything in its path. 7 crew members are injured. 3 in serious condition are immediately evacuated by helicopter.
There goes forward. There goes. Yep. He's got it. He's got the cable and he's just going off the runway now.
And the undercarriage has collapsed.
Yeah.
They're still inside. Bloody hell, I'd have been out of running by now.
Canopy's open.
Yeah.
That's great now. We're just all...